about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and Alice is here to teach us very practical everyday Hakka. 我们还是要教大家一些非常实用的客语哦，客家话。那今天呢，我们用哪一个主题呢？头，哎，对对，你怎么？我最近撞到头很痛，你知道吗？对，从楼上摔下来。Oh my God, yeah, you got to be careful. I just hurt my head recently. So let's talk about terms related to head. Okay, 头怎么说 ？Tail. Okay, that's the head. Tail.All right. On the head.
通常也会讲说 tail 那啦，就是头啦。
头脑那样子。
对 ，tail 那就是头啊。
Okay. Tail 那 is both head. Okay. On the head you have hair. 头发嘛，对不对
？tail 那毛
啊 ，tail 那毛。我们造个句。今年呢，哎，真的我有这个困扰嘞。
真的吗？
长了好多白头发。
你那么年轻，
都染黑了。
好，来，今年上东斗，
拍
跳那毛
，OK， 跳那毛就头发，那拍就是白了。Oh, okay. I asked Alice to make a sentence saying that I'm growing a lot of white hair this year. All right. 今年长了好多白头发。Pak is white and 跳那毛 is hair. Okay.
对，那头发的海陆腔，跳那毛。
Okay, that's a different dialect for hair. Okay, let's move on to something else. Oh, 我知道，枕头，睡觉的时候要睡枕头。In Chinese and in Hakka, when you say the pillow, it's actually the head pillow.
枕头。
Okay, 枕头 that's pillow. Let's say I want to say, I need to sleep on 2 pillows. 有些人睡觉要2个枕头。
捱睡木愛用。兩隻枕頭。
Oh, 兩隻枕頭. That's 2 pillows right there. Okay. Finally, like I hurt my head, a couple of weeks ago. 可是我们说頭痛，不是說真的撞到那種頭痛，可能是生病頭痛嘛，對不對？ You got some headache. All right. 頭痛怎麼說？
頭那痛。
Oh, 頭那痛. All right. 頭那 again, it's the head. 痛 is hurts or pain. 昨天沒睡好，所以呢頭好痛。
坐不安步，睡無好。
做不安步，睡無好。
頭那動痛。
I asked Alice to say, I didn't sleep well last night and my head hurts. There you have it. That's our practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.